Imagine what will happen when penalties are left at the discretion of judges, magistrates, where we lived in a situation that penalties are not prescribed. Every judge is left to his or her own discretion. Have you ever sat one day to just think to yourself and say, maybe you picture a position where you walked into a court and the judge that is sitting to hear and determine that your matter is one of your neighbor that you don't agree with, or is just somebody that you have beef with, or somebody that you just walked into the courtroom and your appearance, your physique, your outfit is so dominating, so oppressive. Or maybe the judge does not just like your face, or the judge is not in a good mood that day, because the mood, how the judge is feeling, also plays a huge role in how the proceedings of the day will go. So have you actually sat down to think and ask yourself, if penalties were not provided under our laws, it means that any judge can just decide, I don't like this guy's face, I don't like this woman's face, it sound you with one penalty. This one, I need to punish this woman, I need to punish this man, I need to punish this girl. You know, when I was there, you did not recognize you have come into my own courtroom, you know. That is what would have been experiencing now. And some people think that our judicial system is not working. But when you look at the law critically, even if you think that it is not independent, even if you feel like it's not working, nothing is working, but when you look at the law critically, my dear, there are just certain things you see under the provisions of the law, and you tell yourself that, thank God say this law did the way you did. Otherwise, man for suffer in the hands of man. The humiliations, the suffering, if allowed, where that one you go see the real man's inhumanity to his fellow man. If allowed, where. But this one now, the courtroom, the judge is expected or required to act within the ambit of the provisions made under our laws. You cannot commit a simple offense and then the judge will look at you and say, I don't like this man's face. My body, they pepper me today for court, and then gives you a penalty for a capital offense. No. The judge is bound to give only penalties that are prescribed in our laws. This is the beauty of law. And this is where state laws aligning with international law comes in. That is also the same thing that criminal code is following. The same thing and all those other administration of criminal justice law provisions are also following. This is Xavier Law Essence, where we give you premium legal tips to help you make informed decisions, live informed life, and discover the best version of yourself. If allowed, though.